Birds and bees. Wake up, world, and pay attention to saving this earth now. Why are there poisons produced every day on this planet Earth? Have the birds and bees ever done this? Oh, it is the know-it-all, unaware people who constantly do this. And why? Because there will always be those little teeny CertainFew who want to control others and watch them suffer. This is more than evident, and look at how many unaware people keep agreeing with this. To the big business CONtrivedWorld that does usually pollutes and destroys almost everything here, those who really care about this planet Earth are many times seen as something different and even strange. This is what this world has become. To the unaware masses, pollution and poison seems to be fine until it all catches up, and it will, because everyone here is in cause and effect KarmicCreation, and we all have to deal with the Dah KnuckleHeads until we wake up all the way into the real universes of endless freeness. While still on Earth, it would definitely make sense to sincerely preserve what is still left of what was once a pristine planet of all natural life.